Just making this video to show that the gear-driven Daytona engine stand is able to hold up and easily rotate a 6.9 liter. IDI just fine. Additionally, the Pittsburg 1-ton and I also used it on 3/4 ton setting, not just the 1-ton setting. That worked just fine. I read online somewhere that this is, because it's gray, supposed to be an older style Pittsburg. I guess the new red ones that are $100 more expensive and also ASME certified or something like that. Anyways, the point is, this works and that worked.